Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Malibu and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So you want to be in the driver's area, and then there's going to be some sort of lever here that you pull. Typically you'll feel a little resistance in here, like a pop, and then it should pop open for at least where you can then reach into the front here and find the little lever. Most vehicles, they're kind of around the center. Some of them are offset a little bit, and you can always look to see where it's catching. On this particular model, it is right in the center here to the left. I'll show you better once I have it open, but you'll reach in and push it this way, and pull up. So that hook was just being held by this, and this lever is what I pushed over. And when you're finished, and this just has the automatic to hold it up. But anyways, this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.